Okay, I'm going to go ahead and try to test out this keyboard. So this is the RGB version. What I like about this is it's got the two rocker buttons up here. Because you're supposed to be able to put this in your PlayStation. The only thing is like R1 versus R2, how does that work? Because there aren't any more buttons. But that's something I'll figure out later. Right now I just want it to work for this computer because I have a desktop downstairs and I need a keyboard for that to wipe it. And yeah, I didn't have one. So the adapter comes here inside the back compartment right next to the battery. So go ahead and close that up. It should just be plug and play. So I'm just going to plug that into the computer. Flick this on. Okay, let's try this again. Plug this back into here. And now this time, when I go on, now it seems to actually be working. I don't know why it wasn't before. So it's supposed to be RGB and change colors, and you could change all that by holding down the function key and going like this. See, it scrolls through colors, brightness. I think if I tap, it goes through certain effects. So I somehow lost the product manual in the past like hour. So yeah, I don't remember how to reset it back to where it scrolls through the colors, which is nice. But obviously, anything in orange on the keyboard, you have to hold down this function key to be able to do. I do like like I said before, the rocker switches here. Oop. And as you can see, it does work because it's starting to do stuff on my laptop that I didn't. Okay, well, see, look at that. See, it goes around. Well, let's try. That should be single click. So if I right click on this here, this should be double click. Or right click. What am I talking about? First select it. There we go. So that works. What else is there? The home button. What does that do? Well, it takes you home. Okay. So if I hit it from the desktop, it actually opens up your default web browser to a brand new web page. Kind of cool. Volume up and down, as you can see at the top left there, does work. I mean, I like this thing overall because it's the material too that it has here. I've had other ones like these. It's just very smooth. This here is like grippy. So I don't know what the difference in material is because I'm not an expert on that. But no, I like it. I like how it feels. I like the size of it. At least for me, I'm a smaller dude. So like for me, I can hold this in my hands nicely like this. So I do want to try to connect it to my PlayStation because it says it works on that too. But I don't know, overall just as a keyboard, like for my purposes and what I need it for, I mean I need it to wipe a desktop that I don't have a wired keyboard for. So, and I can't connect a wireless keyboard like a Bluetooth one to that because I need a keyboard to connect a keyboard to the computer. So this here is actually perfect for my purposes. It's just a nice little touch having the different RGB things on there. So overall, I'd say 5 out of 5.